NYX has been lately like stepping up the game. Hello everyone, so today we're going to be reviewing NYX. But first, do I hear trumpets? Cue the music!
It's the other Huda, not the one you knew to. She's here to share reviews, perhaps a laugh or two to.
I got a new package. New package of makeup. Yay! Oh my god, every time I get a new package, it feels like it's my birthday. So, I've been seeing lately, like, NYX has been dropping new things. I didn't try their last drop of foundations and lip liner from last year, so I was like, I kind of want to try it. So, I ordered some stuff. We got a full box here. They did a collab with Bridgerton, so picked that up. I picked up a new powder puff, so you never have enough powder puffs, right? I picked up the foundation. Hope this is my shade, fingers crossed. I just like picked it from online, so we got the lip liner. This was the thing that I was excited to try. Can't have a look without an eyeshadow palette, so I picked up the Christmas one, the gingerbread one. So cute! I love a good gingerbread cookie. And then I got this robotic red epic inky stick, so excited to try that. We got our buttermelt sticks. We've got our Wonder Snatch powder. Oh my god, NYX is looking so cute lately, right? It's giving like very cute, very Y2K. So cute. We got the NYX full-bodied shine gloss jelly job. I think you should have reworked this name, NYX. Okay, and then we got a Pro Fix Stick correcting concealer. You know, I always need a corrector. I was like, this is a correcting concealer. Perfect! 2 in 1. And that's our box. Let's open this one first. So this is, first of all, you know, I love NYX. Actually, it is one of the top drugstore brands, so it's definitely, NYX has been lately like stepping up the game. Oh, this is so cute. We've got a blush palette, another blush palette. I can never have enough blush, you know, I've got blush blindness. And then another blush palette. So 3 blush palettes, which is fine by me. We've got our royal highlighter. Look at that. Look at that shine. You can see that from outer space. Ooh, so shiny. Ooh, that's gonna look so beautiful. Excited to try that. Oh, we have the Epic Ink Liner Glitz. So we got a sparkly one. So, oh, we got one in gold and silver. Ooh, another royal highlighter, but this one is like a pink shimmer. And then we got the Royal Butter Gloss, and then another Royal Butter Gloss. That's it from our Bridgerton box. First, let's look through the palettes. This one is the Lady in Silver. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. Ooh. So it's a shimmery blush from what I can see. Oh yeah, look at that. And it's so buttery, right? Look at that. Beautiful. I'm excited to try them. And this one is called Wallflower. Oh, see and be seen. Oh, this is like a nice coral and a pale pink blush. And so the first color is called Butter Together, and the other one is You Know Better. So Butter Together is a pale pink, still showing up, but it's a pale. Again, these are all like shimmery blushes, and that one is like a coral. Beautiful. The last one is Fit for a Queen, and it has 2 colors, Back in Butter and Better Than Before. Oh, flawless, my dear. Okay, I'm just gonna swatch that here. Look at that color. This one is more of a fuchsia color, and this is more of like a reddish brown. You know I love the NYX blushes, so this is awesome. Now we're going to get into our Bridgerton glittery liners. This one is gilded in silver and the other one's gilded in gold. Glittery. Excited to try this. I don't know if that's gonna show up on camera, but it is glittery. So it's giving you like a little bit of shimmer. Let me show you the gold as well. To be honest, the payoff is not as great as I would like it. It's a bit disappointing, but I guess I can use this to be like a light topper over my eyeliner. Maybe for if I want a simple makeup, I guess. It's a little disappointing. We're going to look at our highlighters. This one is in Iridescent Peach. Finally, we opened it. Ooh, that is a beautiful highlight. Let's do Royal. This one is the light gold. Again, you can swatch that. I see the difference. This one is a bit, just gonna turn off the light so you can see. Okay, so the second one here is the gold, and this one is the peach. Beautiful highlighter apply. It is a showstopper highlighter. Next, we're going to try is our Royal Butter Gloss in the color Angel Food Cake. Ooh, it's a nice peachy gloss. Not bad. I like to do this to test out if it's sticky or not. Not sticky at all. Our next one, which is the Praline color. This one's also nice. It's a beautiful color. It smells like toffee, actually. Okay, now we're done with the Bridgerton box. We're going to start, I guess, testing out our products. Let me open this palette first, so I'm like excited to see it. So cute. It's like a gingerbread man. Let's open it up together. What does it say? Let's slay. Oh, beautiful holiday colors for face and body, not eye. Oh, really? I guess let's talk about this shimmer here, which is weird. I would have used that red shimmer on my eyes. I guess good to know. Maybe they mean not in your eye. NYX, explain. Not meant to be used on my eyelid?
What?
Ah, okay. So it's technically 9 pigments for your eyelids. And then this one here, this reddish shimmery one, is actually, says here on the back, it says here, apply face pigments to your temples, cheeks to elevate your look. Do not use on your eyes.
Okay.
So I already put my skincare and I did my eyebrows. I got some eyelashes. I'm just going to color correct. I haven't tried this actually. I don't know if this is new, but I just wanted like shorten the steps, get a corrector, concealer. This is how it looks. It's like a lipstick. I guess that's easy. You just apply it. Actually, you know what? It's pretty easy. Got a little bit on our eyelids. This is so easy to apply. I actually like this. Okay, now we're gonna set it with our powder. We're using the Wonder Snatch. It's so cute. It's like a little cute powder. Just gonna take a little brush here. So far, this powder is not drying. It has a nice feel to it. Like it's nice and fine. Just really nice. Now, the piece de resistance. This is a soft matte buildable foundation. Let's just go with 3 quartz. It's not a runny foundation, as you can see. It is creamy, which is nice. It's not a thin foundation, so this is like medium coverage. So I'm just gonna take my brush. I'm just gonna paint off face. I guess I went a bit too light on the shade. They did have a lot of shades. This is why buying your foundation in person is better, because you know, you can't really tell online. This is more of a full coverage to me. It's more of a medium coverage. Foundation's alright. I'm not gonna be replacing my Super Stay from Maybelline anytime soon. I'm just being honest. I think, you know, I'll use it because I bought it. Maybe I won't buy it again. But the powder's nice. Just to set off. I'm not gonna overly bake because our foundation's pretty matte. It's a soft matte. Gonna get into my eyeshadow palette. I'll do this color over here. This is our base color. Just so that our colors pop even more. Yeah, I would have just went with this and eyeliner. We're gonna get into our brow bone. Take another brush. Get into our dark brown over here. Now we're gonna get into our gold here. Get that in the corner. I guess we'll get into this one. Into the center with our finger. It's like a bronzy shimmer. I think now we're going to use our inky stick. Open! Ta-da! Okay, look at it. Click it like a pen so it comes out. Let me see the color first. It's that red basically we could have used in the palette that said, it's for your face and not for your eyes. So could we have this? It doesn't show up as well as I would like it, but it's fine. I like it. I love it. I'm going to use this volumizing mascara from ColourPop. This is the Shrek collab. Perfect. So cute. Now I'm so excited about the blush. I don't know what to choose. I don't know what to choose. There's too many options. We'll go with the baby pink, Better Together. I'm excited about the blush, so we're gonna go all out. Yeah, I'm gonna try the Better Than Before. This is that fuchsia color. I look like a clown. Don't worry, not yet. And then I'll take from this one, Lady in Silver, and we're gonna do the color Getting Better. We're just going to mix all those colors together. Don't worry yet. Don't worry. Get in your big brush. Take a little powder, take a little blush, and we're gonna just, it's gonna help us set it in, but also gonna help it mute it. Now, you know, I'm excited about this. This is the Buttermelt stick. We're using everything, don't worry. Everything is getting used. You're thinking, girl, you should stop.
Stop it. Get some help.
More. I think we'll go with the gold. We need to be seen from space. Ooh. Yeah. That is gorgeous. I'm just loving this look. We're so shiny. So cute. we're gonna do the lingerie lip in the color Wild Slide. I'm excited to try this one. This is really nice, easy to use. A new favorite of mine. This is really good. So I think I'm going to go with the Royal Butter Gloss Angel Food Cake color. We're gonna get that in the middle. We're gonna continue our pink. I'm gonna use this full-bodied shine gloss over it. This is the color Bling Me Jelly. Ooh. Oh. Oh, I like this. This is not those. This is like a plastic tip. They know these get hunky. Oh my god, this is so cute, right? We're gonna just put some one size. How do I look? Personally, I love this look. I love it, right? I think I should go get a dress. We'll be back. Just 1 second.
5 minutes later.
We're just gonna need some earrings. Beautiful. It's so cute, right? We're going to now rate everything. All 3 blush palettes, 10 out of 10. All of them are so beautiful. I use the NYX blush anyway. I'm going to enjoy these palettes. And they're so cute. Highlighters, 10 out of 10. Good job, NYX. 2 for 2 so far. Like, amazing. This Jelly Job gloss, I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. It's really good. Love it. The Buttermelt stick, I didn't really like the application too much. Other than that, it's not bad. So I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. The corrector, I love it. Love, 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 love it. This is gonna be used on a daily basis. Definitely gonna be using this all the time. So this is a 10 out of 10 for me. Love it. Love it. So good. Easy to use. I love it. These liners, they're so sad. Like, they don't really show up. I would have loved it to really like give me that shimmer like the highlighters did. Like, this threw it out of the park. And this one is so sad. It's real sad. So I'm gonna give this one 4 out of 10. Sorry, NYX. This powder, I am impressed. This one's gonna get an 8.5 from me. It was really good. Like, it's a solid powder. Come on. No words needed. This one is a 10 out of 10 for me. Some people are into it, some people are like, some people are loving it, but I'm in the love this crowd, so I love this one. The glosses are not bad. It's not like innovative or anything or special or anything. It's good gloss. You passed. 7 out of 10. As for our palette is cute, first of all. It's a cute palette. You know, I love the whole holiday theme. Kind of cute. I'm sad about the red being not an eyeshadow, but it's a cute color. Overall, the palette is nice. It's like, you know, it's got your browns. I would have loved more colors in the palette, you know, because it looks fun on the outside. The packaging looks really fun, so you would assume the palette's gonna be really fun, but the palette is not a bad palette. I'll definitely be using this. So this is going to get a 7 out of 10 for me. You joined the Not So Bad squad, you know, you're good, you're solid. You're solid 7. A solid 7, you did a solid good job. You know, I just wished there's just more colors. It was more innovative and more fun colors and more holiday colors. So, you know, I would have loved it to have, you know, these gumdrop colors, maybe some icy blues and purple, a red, a green. All of these colors would have been, purple would have been amazing if it was in the palette, but it was not, so sad. Well, I think that's the end of our chapter. Now, I think I'll bid you farewell. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And maybe you too will be finally invited to the ball. Until next time we meet again, farewell.
Come along and join the ride. It's the vibe. It's the other